The sound that we are going to practice in this video is the sound L. Repeat after me. L. 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 L in love. Again, love. Lamp. Again, lamp. Large. Again, large. Leg. Again, leg. Lug. Again, lug. Line. Again, line. Lips. Again, lips. Low. Again, low. Lacy. Again, lacy. What other words have the initial sounds L? L in deliver. Again, deliver. Elect. Again, elect. Clinic. Again, clinic. Politics. Again, politics. Relation. Again, relation. Cloths. Again, cloths. Ability. Again, ability. Develop. Again, develop. Vlad. Again, Vlad. What other words have the middle sound L? L in official. Again, official. External. Again, external. Chemical. Again, chemical. Natural. Again, natural. Medical. Again, medical. Central. Again, central. Control. Again, control. Terminal. Again, terminal. Proposal. Again, proposal. What other words have the final sound L? Now let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? The last straw. Again, the last straw. Lay an egg. Again, lay an egg. Let them eat cake. Again, let them eat cake. Level playing fields. Again, level playing fields. Now let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? She went for a long walk. Again, she went for a long walk. Several are already on location. Again, several are already on location. The majority rules most of the time. Again, the majority rules most of the time. There are 7 clean plates. Again, there are 7 clean plates. Over the rainbow flies a bird. Again, over the rainbow flies a bird. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound L. Repeat after me. L. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.